Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a particular website that allows you to make up to $25 to $35 per hour chatting online. And I'm also going to be sharing with you the obstacles you are going to be facing on this particular website. If you're seeing me the very first time, welcome to my channel. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. We also review a website that works and the one that does not work. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's dive into today's video.
So what you're going to do is to go to your Chrome browser, your Google browser, type in socialsalesrep.com, click on the very first link. Now this page is going to pop up. As you can see, start getting paid $25 to $35 per hour doing live chat assistant job today. It's just probably like chatting online. Making money as a live chat assistant is as simple as 1 2 3. So if you are Nigerian, you won't be able to access this page, so you need to watch this video to the very end. So I'm going to tell you what you're going to be doing at the end of the video. And if you're other country, actually I'm in Nigeria, so that's why I know about this. If you're in other African country and you're facing the same thing, make sure you watch the video to the very end so you will not miss any important. So the first step on this particular website is training. Learn how to do the job and be ready to start working no time at all with our easy to follow training. Log in and start work. As soon as you complete your training, you can start work on your first paid job according to them. Get paid daily or weekly into your bank accounts, PayPal accounts, or by check. We have various payments method as well. So now let's go to the main difficulties, or let me just say obstacle that I see about this particular website. So when you scroll down, you're going to see this as well. It's showing that you need to pay some amount of money for certification and membership. Normally they said it's $99 per month, but for you today it is $27. So if you have interest in this particular website, you can join them. And if you don't have interest in it, I'm still going to be uploading more ways you can make money online from any website. So what I used to log in into this particular website is this particular VPN called Windscribe. It's free. You can also download it on your phone, either from Apple Store or Play Store. That will be the end of today's video. Make sure you subscribe and do not forget to like the video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye. Take care.